is this tiny device really cleaning your fruits? Or just cleaning out your wallet? The PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner claims it can remove pesticides, bacteria, and toxins in just minutes using something called overhyped electrolysis. But is this legit? Or just another viral scam? Let's find out. Welcome back. If you're thinking about buying PuriBreeze, you need to watch this first. Because today we're breaking down the science, the claims, and the red flags behind this trending product. So what exactly is PuriBreeze? It's a small portable device you place in water with your fruits or vegetables. It claims to use electrolysis to create ions that clean your produce. Sounds advanced. But here's where things get questionable. The product heavily uses terms like OH microbubbles, and active oxygen. But here's the truth. These are vague, non-specific buzzwords. While electrolysis is a real process, there is no solid scientific evidence that a small device like this can effectively remove pesticides or bacteria from produce in just a few minutes. In fact, most food safety experts still recommend simple washing with water or using proper food-safe solutions. You've probably seen those ads where the water turns brown or dirty. Looks convincing, right? But here's the trick. That discoloration often comes from electrolysis reacting with minerals in the water, not toxins from your food. So what you're seeing is not proof that your fruits are being cleaned. Let's talk about the biggest warning signs. No verified lab testing or certifications. Overuse of scientific-sounding but meaningless terms. Identical products sold under different names. Reviews that only exist on their own website. Fake urgency like limited stock or 70% off today only. These are classic signs of a drop-shipping style product, not a scientifically proven device. So, does PuriBreeze actually work? There's no strong evidence that it does what it claims. At best, it might slightly agitate water. At worst, it's just a rebranded gadget using clever marketing to look more effective than it really is. So before you spend your money, make sure you know what you're really buying. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews. And if you've tried PuriBreeze, drop your experience in the comments. You might save someone else from making a bad decision. Stay smart. And I'll see you in the next one.